Okay, so a very good morning to everyone and Miss Saada, our lecturer. So today our group will present about Howard's Gardner multiple intelligence theory. We will focus on three types of intelligence, which is linguistic, musical, and spatial intelligence. So let's begin the presentations. Next slide, please. So here are the group members. It consists of 11 people, which is me, Muhammad Ajwad,
Me, Felicia.
And I'm Zuleika.
I'm Kyrisa.
Sarah Sofia.
Nurin Irdina.
I'm Siti Zainina.
Nitya Srishanugo.
I'm Yu Shangyue, which I'm sharing the screen right now.
I'm Jayasri Manimaran.
And I'm Shariza Isa.
So here are the table of contents, what we're going to go through this presentation. First, we have the introduction, linguistic intelligence, musical intelligence, and spatial intelligence, and the last is conclusion. So move on. So first is the introduction. So basically, what is intelligence? So multiple intelligence is this theory was introduced by Howard Gardner in 1983. So Gardner believed that intelligence is not only about IQ or academic performance. Instead, people are smart in different ways and have their own way of solving a problem, like in music, art, sports, or communications. So, next page. These are the types of intelligence. We have 9 types of intelligence. We have logical, linguistic, interpersonal, intrapersonal, musical, spatial, bodily kinesthetic, naturalist, and existential. But for this presentation, we're only going to focus on 3, which is the linguistic, musical, and spatial. So, yeah.
Okay, so I will be talking about the linguistic intelligence. So linguistic, next page please. Okay, so linguistic intelligence refers to the ability to effectively use and understand words, both spoken and written. So basically that means like being smart with words, both spoken and written, is the ability to use language effectively whether you're reading, writing, talking, or even just listening and understanding what others saying. So people with strong linguistic intelligence usually love words. They are good at things like writing stories, reading books, learning new languages, or even just having deep or interesting conversations. They are very aware of the little details in language like grammar, sentence structure, or how to choose the right word to say exactly what they mean. You can find the type of intelligence in poets, authors, journalists, lawyers, public speakers, or anyone who works with communication. For example, someone who can write a really moving speech or someone who can tell a great story probably has strong linguistic intelligence. It's also about being sensitive to the tone and rhythm of words, not just what it's said, but how it's said. Some people are naturally good at this, while others can definitely improve it through practice, like reading more, writing daily, or engaging in discussions. So to keep it simple, if you're someone who enjoy writing essays, journaling, giving presentation, or even just playing with words like puns or poetry, then you're probably strong in linguistic intelligence. That's all from me. Thank you.
All right. So for linguistic intelligence, how we can express it in our daily life and even in our career is that it allows people to communicate ideas clearly, persuade others, and inspire emotions through carefully chosen words. Now we see this intelligence in poets who use rhythm and imaginary to create vivid verses, in editors who refine writing for clarity and impact, and in orators who capture the attention of an audience with compelling speeches. When applied to creative fields like art and design, linguistic intelligence bridges the gap between imagination and understanding. It turns abstract concepts into vivid mental images, helping audiences picture and feel an idea rather than just hear about it. This makes presentations more engaging, storytelling more memorable, and design concepts easier to connect with on a personal level. Ultimately, linguistic intelligence transforms words into experiences, making communication an essential tool in both creative and everyday life.
So hi, I'm Karinisa. I'm about to talk about musical intelligence. Musical intelligence is one of Howard Gardner multiple intelligence. It's a refer to ability to recognize, create, and understand music and sound patterns. Next slide. People strong in musical intelligence are good at singing, playing instrument, remembering melodies, and picking up rhythms. They often think in terms of sound and may learn better through music. Famous musicians like Mozart or Beyonce are great examples of people with high musical intelligence.
Hi everyone, my name is Dina. Good morning. I would like to share about musical intelligence, which is one of the type of intelligence described by Howard Gardner. Gardner is in his theory of multiple intelligence. People with musical intelligence are very sensitive to sound, rhythm, and melodies. They often love singing, composing, or playing musical instruments. This kind of intelligence isn't only useful for musicians, it can also help in daily life, like remembering things through song or feeling more relaxed and focused while listening to music. Some career opportunities related to musical intelligence include composing, song, becoming a music therapist, or working as a music coach. But even if someone doesn't work in music professionally, musical intelligence can still bring joy and creativity into their life. Musical intelligence is not just about talent, it's something everyone can develop by exploring different kind of music, learning to play an instrument, or even just paying more attention to the sound and to the sound around us. Thank you.
Okay. As you can see, those images show three examples of people who demonstrate strong musical intelligence. First, classical composer Beethoven. Beethoven is a famous classical composer known for his powerful symphonic. He had a deep understanding of musical structure, instrument, and emotional expression taught music. Beside becoming a thief later in life, he continued to compose, showing exceptional musical memory and imagination. Lady Gaga is a singer and songwriter. She creates music, writes lyrics, and performs with emotional and energy. Her ability to connect with people taught a voice, rhythm, and lyric highlight the strong musical intelligence. Film composer Hans Zimmer. Hans Zimmer created music for movies like The Lion King and Inception. He understood how music and can create a mood, tension, and emotional in movie. His work combined technical skill, creativity, and emotional to consult the musical intelligence to people. That's all, everyone. Thank you. Next slide, please.
So I'm going to talk about spatial intelligence, and Spatial intelligence basically means that you're good at seeing things, to visualize and imagine spaces, shapes, and objects in the mind. Basically, spatial intelligence is a skill that helps you to imagine how things fit together in space.
So, for the key aspects of spatial intelligence, it includes visualization, imagining objects and how they look from different angles, spatial reasoning, solving problems involving space and form, spatial awareness, understanding your position in space and the position of objects around you, and mental rotation, rotating images or objects in the mind, and visual memory, remembering what you have seen and recalling spatial details. These skills make people with spatial intelligence good at drawing, designing, architecture, and navigating space. That's it from me.
Hi everyone. Now let's look at some real life example of people who use spatial intelligence in their careers, their individual works actually because they could think visually and create things in unique and detailed way. Firstly, we got fashion designers such as Coco Chanel, and we got artists Leonardo da Vinci, and then animator. These examples show how spatial intelligence can be used in many careers, from fashion and art to animation and engineering. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, so in conclusion, everyone is intelligent in their own ways. Intelligence is not only about academics or IQ, as there are other intelligence such as linguistic, musical, and spatial intelligence that shows the unique strengths and capabilities of each person. With that being said, we should all appreciate each intelligence and develop our own strengths. Next slide, please. Okay, so now before moving on, I would also like to share some can you please move on to the yeah. Okay, so I would also like to share some interesting facts about these intelligence. So people with strong linguistic intelligence are usually great at writing, speaking, or learning languages. Individuals who have strong musical intelligence might also be good at recognizing patterns, which helps in subjects like maths. And as for spatial intelligence, individuals who have this are usually good at puzzles, drawing, or reading maths. So that is all from me, and I will be passing the presentation on to my friend Jayasri.
So, for the very interesting fact, Howard Gardner multiple intelligence theory has revolutionized education. Today, many schools around the world are using music, art, movement, and game in teaching. So it's not just for fun, but theory shows that students learn in many ways. Instead of just focusing on traditional reading and math skills, teachers now design lessons tap into musical, spatial, kinesthetic, and interpersonal intelligence. This makes learning more effective, inclusive, and exciting for every student. Thank you. That's all from me.
So that's all for our group. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.
Thank you.